Hello, I am Ramesh. Today discuss about class 10 math chapter number 1 सरल समीकरण क्वेश्चन आंसर 1 रो बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आईवी बज्र गणना प्रणाली मु प्रीवियस क्लास रे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 रो फर्स्ट आई सेकंड आई एंड ट्रिपल आई डिस्कशन करथिली आज मु क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 रो आईवी रु स्टार्ट करूची x by a plus y by b equal to a plus b and x by a square plus y by b square equal to 2 then समाधान बुझी परिबे x by a plus y by b equal to a plus b imply that x by a plus y by b then एठी प्लस अछि RHS रे LHS को आसिला माइनस a plus b equal to 0 समीकरण फर्स्ट आई then x by a square plus y by b square equal to 2 imply that x by a square plus y by b square RHS रे प्लस अछि LHS को आसिले माइनस then minus 2 equal to 0 then x by a square plus y by b square minus 2 equal to 0 समीकरण सेकंड आई एठारे a1 equal to 1 by a b1 equal to 1 by b then c1 equal to minus a plus b then a2 equal to 1 by a square then b2 equal to 1 by b square c2 equal to minus 2 अतएव ab minus ab 1 to 2 1 ab minus ab 1 to 2 1 एक कंडीशन यदि सैटिस्फाई होए देन समीकरण द्वय संभव हबो फर्स्ट प्रूफ करके देखिया इक्वल टू then a1 equal to 1 by a into b2 equal to 1 by b square minus a2 equal to 1 by a square into b1 equal to 1 by b then 1 1 multiply hele 1 a और b square minus को minus 1 1 into hele 1 then a square into b a square b then a b square and a square b जदि लसाव गले a square b square a b square सहित जदि डिवाइड हबो then a रहिबो a1 जा a माइनस को माइनस a square b सहित डिवाइड हेले रहिबो b then b1 जा b then a minus b by a square b square not equal to 0 so that समीकरण द्वय संभव हेबो तेनु समीकरण द्वय संभव then बज्रगणन प्रणाली कहे x by bc minus bc 1 to 2 1 equal to y by ca minus ca 1 to 2 1 equal to 1 by ab minus ab 1 to 2 1 यह होची बज्रगणन फार्मूला imply that x equal to b1 पाखरे 1 by b into c2 स्थान रे -2 minus को minus b2 स्थान रे 1 by b square into c1 जगह रे minus into a plus b equal to y by c1 पाखरे minus a plus b into c2 a2 स्थान रे 1 by a square minus को minus c2 स्थान रे -2 into a1 स्थान रे 1 by a equal to 1 को 1 then a1 स्थान रे 1 by a into b2 स्थान रे 1 by b square minus को minus a2 स्थान रे 1 by a square into b1 स्थान रे 1 by b imply that x को x then -2 लव सहित मल्टीप्लाई हुए then -2 by b plus minus into minus plus a plus b by b square equal to y को y then minus a plus b लव सहित मल्टीप्लाई हबो then minus a plus b by a square then minus into minus plus 2 divided by a equal to 1 by then 1 1 multiply ले 1 a और b square multiply ले a b square minus को minus then 1 1 यदि गुणन हबो 1 को 1 by a square b imply that x को x then b and b square यदि लसा को जीवो b square यदि b से डिवाइड ले रहइबो b then b 2 सहित मल्टीप्लाई ले -2b plus then b सहित यदि डिवाइड हबो 1 यदि a plus b सहित मल्टीप्लाई हेले a plus b के a plus b then x by -2b plus a plus b by b square equal to y को y then a square and a मल्टीप्लाई लसागु गले a square को a square यदि a square सहित यदि डिवीजन हबो then 1 a plus b सहित मल्टीप्लाई हेले minus a plus b के minus a plus b then plus a square यदि a सहित मल्टीप्लाई डिवीजन हेले a then a यदि 2 सहित मल्टीप्लाई हेले 2a equal to then ab square and ab square and a square यदि लसागु गले a square b square ab square सहित डिवीजन हेले रहइबो a1 से मल्टीप्लाई हेले a minus को minus a square b सहित यदि डिवीजन हबो then रहइबो b then b1 जा b then equal to 1 by a minus b by a square b square imply that x by a minus b by b square habo equal to y by minus a minus b plus 2a by b square habo इक्वल टू 1 by a minus b by a square b square हम imply that x by a minus b by b square equal to y by a minus b by a square equal to 1 by a minus b by a square b square imply that x then a minus b and b square जदि multiply हो जिवो then लव हर हो जिवो हर लव हो जिवो x into b square a minus b equal to y into then ये हर लव हो जिवो a square by a minus b equal to 1 a square b square by a minus b imply that x into b square by a minus b equal to y square a minus b y square by a minus b equal to a square b square by a minus b imply that x b square by a minus b equal to a square b square by a minus b भी हम किंबा y a square by a minus b equal to a square b square by a minus b भी हम imply that x b square then x b square into a minus b equal to a square b square minus x square b square into a minus b किंबा y a square into a minus b equal to a square b square into a minus b imply that x equal to then एटी a square b square a minus b a square b square into a minus b then एटी multiply अछि RHS को डिवीजन b square a minus b किंबा y equal to a square b square a minus b then एटी डिवीजन अछि सॉरी मल्टीप्लाई अछि RHS को डिवीजन a square a minus b imply that x equal to a square b square then equal to a minus b कटिबो a square then b square कटिबो b square then x equal to a square किंबा y equal to एटी a square कटिबो a minus b कटि जीवो then y equal to b square अतएव निर्णय समाधान xy equal to a square b square अटे अर्थात x equal to a square and y equal to b square अटे then v x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0 2x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0 ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 रो ट्रिपल आई संगे समान अछि v x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0 समीकरण फर्स्ट आई 2x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0 समीकरण सेकंड आई एटा देखिले a1 equal to 1 then b1 equal to 6 and c1 equal to 1 a2 equal to 2 and b2 equal to 3 and c2 equal to 8 then condition देखिबा ab minus ab 1 to 2 1 and 2 1 जदि condition satisfy करे देन समीकरण द्वय संभव then a1 equal to 1 into b2 equal to 3 minus a2 equal to 2 into b1 equal to 6 then 3 1 ja 3 then 2 6 ja 12 then 3 minus 12 equal to minus 9 not equal to 0 so that समीकरण द्वय संभव then बजौनर प्रणाली लिखिबा x by bc minus bc 1 to 2 1 equal to y by ca minus ca 1 to 2 1 equal to 1 by ab minus ab 1 to 2 1 imply that x by b1 equal to 6 into c2 equal to 8 minus b2 equal to 3 and c1 equal to 1 equal to y by c1 equal to 1 into a2 equal to 2 minus c2 equal to 8 into a1 equal to 1 equal to 1 by a1 equal to 1 into b2 equal to 3 minus a2 equal to 2 and b1 equal to 6 imply that x को x 6 8 जा 48 minus 3 1 जा 3 equal to y को y by 2 1 जा 2 minus 8 1 जा 8 equal to 1 by 3 1 जा 3 minus 2 6 जा 12 imply that x 48 minus 3 equal to 45 equal to y by 2 minus 8 equal to minus 6 equal to 1 by 3 minus 12 equal to minus 9 imply that x by 45 equal to 1 by minus 9 भी होगा and y by minus 6 equal to 1 by minus 9 भी होगा then imply that minus 9x equal to 45 and minus 9y equal to minus 6 imply that 9x equal to LHS रो minus हुए नहीं so that मु एटी minus multiply करी एटी minus multiply करी 9x plus ही जो ये minus 9x equal to minus 45 and 9y equal to 6 then both side minus अच्छी ये cancel ही जो imply that x equal to minus 45 by 9 y equal to 6 by 9 imply that x equal to minus 5 then 9 5 ja 45 imply and y equal to 2 3 ja 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9 then x equal to minus 5 and y equal to 2 by 3 अतएव निर्णय समाधान xy equal to minus 5 and 2 by 3 अटे अतएव x equal to minus 5 and y equal to 2 by 3 हेबो then vi 4x minus 9y equal to 0 3x plus 2y minus 35 equal to 0 then समाधान बुझी परिबे 4x minus 9y equal to 0 समीकरण फर्स्ट आई 3x plus 2y minus 35 equal to 0 समीकरण सेकंड आई एटारे a1 इक्वल टू 4 b1 इक्वल टू -9 एंड c1 इक्वल टू 0 जेहेतु c1 दे नहीं सो दैट c1 इक्वल टू 0 a2 इक्वल टू 3 b2 इक्वल टू 2 एंड c2 इक्वल टू -35 देन कंडीशन देखिबा ab - ab 1 to 2 1 नॉट इक्वल टू जदि 0 होय देन समीकरण द्वय संभव देन a1 इक्वल टू 4 into b2 इक्वल टू 2 minus a2 इक्वल टू 3 and b1 इक्वल टू -9 then 4 2 जा 8 then minus into minus plus 3 9 ja 27 then 8 plus 27 equal to 35 not equal to 0 so that समीकरण द्वय संभव then बज्रगुणन x by bc minus bc equal to y by ca minus ca equal to 1 by ab minus ab by x by bc minus bc 1 to 2 1 equal to y by ca minus ca 1 to 2 1 equal to 1 by ab minus ab 1 to 2 1 imply that x by -9 into -35 minus 2 into 0 equal to y by 0 into 3 minus into -35 into 4 equal to 1 by 4 into 2 minus 3 into -9 imply that x by minus into minus plus 35 into 9 equal to 315 then 0 equal to 3 into 0 0 plus minus into minus plus then 35 को यदि 4 multiply कले 140 equal to 1 by 4 2 ja 8 then minus into minus plus 3 9 ja 27 imply that x by 315 equal to y by 140 equal to 1 by 35 imply that x by 315 equal to 1 by 35 भी हबो and y by 140 by 1 by 35 भी हबो imply that x into 35 equal to 315 into 1 then y into 35y equal to 140 into 1 equal to 140 imply that x equal to एटी division अछि sorry multiply अछि RHS गले division 350 by 35 and y equal to 140 by 35 imply that x equal to 9 and y equal to 4 अतएव निर्णय समाधान x y equal to 9 and 4 अर्थात x equal to 9 and y equal to 4 अटे देन वीडियो जदि भल लागिथिबो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करको भूलिबे नहीं।